Starting a business is more than just an ID on a napkin and obtaining funds. I'm going to show you some smart steps to take before you start your business. My name is Nina, and I'm about to get in your business. I'm going to start this video on a personal note. I knew of an individual who started an awesome business only to be sent a cease and desist order months after opening because the name that was chosen for her company was already in use and registered with the USPTO office. Furthermore, she was sued and had to pay over $40,000 for trademark infringement and attorney fees. There are a number of steps you should seriously take before starting a business. For the purposes of this video, we will be discussing what I believe either is a very important or a legally required step to take when you start a business in the state of Texas. Please adapt these tips in accordance with the laws in the state where you reside. Also, please note that the to-do list in this video is not necessarily in any particular order of importance. Select the name that identifies what goods and services your company provides. When selecting a name, I recommend doing an internet search to see what, if any, information is found related to the name you selected. If your business is international, you may want to make sure that the translation of your business name doesn't mean anything negative in the countries in which you want to do business. Also, research the name you select with the Secretary of State where you reside, as well as the USPTO office, to be certain the name is not currently in use. If your business is international, you may want to check to see your chosen name is not being used in another country. It's also a good idea to select 2 or 3 names, just in case that first choice is already in use. Register your business with the Secretary of State in the state in which you reside. This is another area where you can also check to see if the name you selected is currently in use. Creating a legal entity for your business separates your corporate assets from your personal assets. LLC, incorporation, S-Corp, whatever is recommended by your business attorney. It's a good idea to take care of that before day one. Once you find a business name that is not currently in use, check with a domain company to see if you can register a domain name. Once you find a domain name, purchase it for your company. And please note, if you have an assistant or an employer performing this task, be certain that they list your name as the owner of the domain name. This is so important. I highly recommend that you verify that this was done immediately after you've been notified that the task has been complete. Determine what social media platforms you will use, then open the accounts with the various companies. Again, if you are assigning this task to someone else, be certain that it is your name and your email address listed as the administrator of the account. As the administrator, you can then assign an employee to assist you with the management of these accounts. More important, you will be able to remove the individuals once they leave your employment without being held hostage. If you are going through the effort to start a new business, you should consider using a new computer. I highly recommend backing up files to a cloud type or other type of server, as well as getting a new computer. Hire a good accountant, then hire a good bookkeeper. It's worth the money to pay your accountant to set up your accounting software and create some of the first entries. Afterwards, hire a good bookkeeper, even if it's part-time, to perform your bookkeeping duties. If you're working from home, it may be a good idea to set up a business post office box and list this on your business cards, social media, websites, and other areas. Do not mix personal and business expenses. Establish your business bank account as soon as you generate your first dollar. In addition, open company credit card accounts and other accounts required to operate your business. Get a new tax identification number and register with the IRS. This process can be done online and it doesn't take long. Register your business with the state agency that is responsible for collecting sales tax where you live. When completed, you will receive your sales tax number. If there are any special licenses or registrations required to operate your business, they should be obtained prior to operating your business. Special licenses could be engineering, cosmetology, or pest control. It's a good idea to register any special colors, logos, names, service marks, or other intellectual property with the USPTO office. Create a filing system that will help you keep track of important documents. Make this an easy system so you can quickly find whatever is needed. Create schedules for recurring tasks. For example, review upcoming invoices every Wednesday morning. All checks should be prepared and ready for signing on Friday afternoons. Review bank account statements on the 1st of each month. Before starting a business, I advise my clients to consult with a licensed qualified business attorney, as well as other experienced consultants for ongoing guidance. Please note this video is not an all-inclusive list of tasks to complete before starting a business. Let me know what items I missed in your state or wherever you reside in the comment section below. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, please click that thumbs up button and leave me a comment below. What were some of the obstacles you faced when starting your business? Did I miss any steps? Please let me know. Thanks for watching.